we're standing today in a very special place in the heart of Queen Victoria Park in Niagara Parks. From the moment our guests step in, they're going to be in awe of the scope and the scale of this new attraction. The fact that everything is still intact in this location, it makes it unique. And I want you to step back to the turn of the 20th century when there's competition going on to build hydroelectric power plants in the Niagara corridor to harness the power of the Niagara River. So here, for this location, hundreds of workers basically doing an open pit construction. So using horse-drawn carriages, lots of dynamite. So you can imagine for over a 4-year period, this construction activity going on, which led to the completion of what became really one of Ontario's first green energy projects and led to the industrialization of Southern Ontario and Western New York. A year ago, we worked with the Ontario Heritage Trust to host Doors Open, and we had great success. We sold out in less than half an hour of the tickets that we had for that particular weekend in October, and it gave us that confidence that there was a huge interest in this building, in industrial heritage, and in the story of hydroelectric power generation that we're going to share with our guests when we open on July 1st, 2021.
Phase 1, our guests will experience this gorgeous generator hall full of new exhibits, interpretive elements, we'll do group tours, and also a really wonderful culinary and retail offering featuring some of the artifacts that we pulled from the plant. As we move into Phase 2, we will be opening up an elevator down to the thrust deck level, which is a level below the main floor. We take them down 160 feet. It will be the same direction that the water had traveled, then return to the Niagara River. So as they walk 0.7 kilometers through a very interesting tunnel and exit at the end, they're going to see an amazing view of the river and Niagara Falls as they look off to their right and left. The nighttime experience is our immersive multimedia experience, and this is going to be an absolutely spectacular show. This experience is going to be developed for all audience types, and really guests are going to watch as this dormant plant comes to life again. They're going to watch through video mapping and projection mapping that the turbines and the power plant starts to hum. Earlier this year, our ministry challenged all of us as agencies to see if we could work together. So we were very excited to bring Science North into this project. Clearly their expertise and experience with what they offer up in the Sudbury area would be a great fit for us. So we've really enjoyed working with them, helping us bring to life 3 of the very key exhibits that we will be offering in 2021.
One of the key aspects of our approach to exhibit development is really being collaborative with all the people that are involved. So working with the Niagara Parks team to understand their goals for the project, speaking to past operators and plant personnel to get their input to be sure we're authentic to the experience. We really hope that every visitor that comes in here is, first of all, awed by the grandeur of the building and the existing machinery, and that when they interact with our exhibits that they really take away a moment of appreciation for the underlying innovation and what this really meant to Canada and electricity generation.
Niagara Parks is at the heart of Canada's premier leisure tourism destination, and we are very proud to be opening the next new attraction, not only for Niagara Parks but also for Niagara. This will be a catalyst to drive new demand generation to Niagara and to Ontario starting in July of 2021.